All the content on this channel is for education or entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute financial advice. Always remember to conduct your own research. So in today's video, we are going to be going through my net worth, and this month is a great month. Really happy with the progress. I've added quite a lot of capital into the US portfolio as well this month, which I'm really happy with. And I've finally hit over 100k net worth, and by quite a lot as well, purely down to a big deposit this month. Putting more capital to work, which I'm really happy with. So let's get right into it. I have now hit over 100k, which is absolutely amazing. The income is up. Everything is just going right now. We've been in a bullish environment. I've added growth into the portfolio. So you'll see in my portfolio review, if you've watched that I've added 28% growth into the US portfolio. So it's really pumped my net worth up, and I'm really happy with what has gone off. And I will be moving to my 75-25% rule, which is going to be 75% growth, 25% in income related products. So let's have a look at the UK ISA to start with. So the UK ISA now is £48,837.43. Just a quick reminder that everything in here is in pounds. I do have the US portfolio in dollars, but what I do is I convert that back into pounds just to make it very simple for this net worth video, and to make everything simple on one spreadsheet, so everything is in pounds. So the ISA is £48,837.43. So the annual on the UK ISA right now is £19,920, which is great to see. Then next up we have the growth, which is in a taxable account. That's £2,848.98. So that is just purely growth. That has the tech pie in there. Then next up we have IBKR account, which is £53,283.43. So I have been using this for, I think it's just over 3 months now, generating quite a lot of income. So I've decided to add a lot of growth into this now, and I will be switching all these accounts into one account. Moving forward, there will just be my IBKR account and the crypto account, just to make everything a lot more simple. And I really like what I've been seeing so far. The interactive brokers account is £53,283.43. The monthly income from that is £1,989, and the annual income is £23,838. Then next up, the crypto has doubled in price from the last month. So we have £1,069.70 now in the crypto account. And this is something that I just do daily buys on, just ticks away in the background. I want it to be around 5% of the portfolio. I have moved some of the allocations about, which I'm going to show you at the end. So the total assets right now is £106,039.54. So I'm really happy. 100k was the big milestone for me, as that's where I really see this snowball rolling now. This is really what I wanted to get to. Big achievement for me, getting across 100k. And I think moving forward, we're going to start seeing the total number, the account value, actually go up by quite a lot now. So that's giving us the total income of £3,649 across all accounts. And the total annual income is £43,788 across all the accounts. So as you can see, this is why I want to add more growth in here now. I want to start preserving the capital. I want the capital gains to go up as well as my dividends at the same time. And that is the main goal. That is it. Capital gains up and the stable NAVs only. In the past, I've had quite a lot of questions asking how I actually keep track of all my payouts, my dividends, and my portfolio snowballing each month. I use Snowball Analytics. It pulls everything into one dashboard so I can instantly see my cash flow strategy is really working. If you want to try this for yourself, I've got 10% off for you. Just use my code Cashflow King below. Links in the description. All right, let's jump back into the portfolio review. That's going to be the basis of what I want to do. Going from my 75 to 25 rule with stable NAVs. So let's have a quick look at the net worth. As you can see on the chart, we've had a little tick up as of lately. So I am going to be recording these at the end of every month. So for example, today is the 31st of October. As you can see, it says November. I'm going to record these right at the end of every month for the video to be released first week of the month. So the total net worth is now £106,039.54. The total annual income is £43,788, and the monthly income is £3,649. So that's great. It's absolutely great. Everything's going well. As you can see on the chart, from August, October, November, you can see everything is up. This is all in pounds. The net worth is up. The monthly income is up. The asset mix is not what I want as of yet. I will explain it a little bit more, but as you can see from the asset breakdown, we've got £48,837 and 43 pence in the ISA. The UK growth is £2,848 and 98 pence. The IBKR account now is £53,283 and 43 pence. And then the crypto account is £1,069 and 70 pence. So we have 4 different accounts which consolidate into one portfolio of mine. Moving forward, it'll all be going in interactive brokers. I've also opened an ISA with interactive brokers, so if I want to put anything in the ISA, it can go in there, and also in the taxable account in interactive brokers as well. I really like those products. And then anything Bitcoin or crypto related, I'll be using Alpaca for. But I really like this mix now. It's going really good. The returns in this bullish environment are just doing really good. I think over the next couple of weeks, I'm probably going to be beating total return in the US portfolio versus the UK one. And it really puts things into perspective when you look at it on the different asset types in America versus the UK. The American funds, they've got the tools. They really have got the tools, and they're just much, much better when it comes to things you can have inside an ETF, for example. Like we've got no crypto right now, and US are utilizing crypto. That's just one example. So let's have a look at the asset mix then. So we've got the UK ISA is 46%, which is UK income. Then we have the crypto, which is 1%. And we have UK growth, which is 3%. And then interactive brokers, which is 50%. But as you can see, I want 70% growth. I want 5% crypto, which gives me 75% in growth assets. I think long term I can switch this about depending on how the crypto market's gone. If the crypto market's doing good, I can put more money into the crypto market, and then you may see something like 65% growth, 10% crypto, or vice versa. For example, if we're in a bear market crypto and prices are low, you may even see this crypto allocation up to 20% at some point, just because I'll be accumulating assets at a cheaper price. But it just depends. But right now I want 75% in growth assets and 25% in income assets. That's why you see the US income target 12.5% and the UK income target 12.5% too. So that 25% plus 75%. So that is the main target now. From here on out, it's just about adding growth. I have just added 28% growth into the full interactive brokers account, which if you watch that portfolio review, you will actually see it. But everything is going good. The monthly income is up. And also if you've seen income shares distribution announcement, those distribution announcements are looking pretty heavy this month. I think it may be a 5-week month, but do not hold me to that. But yeah, distributions are up. Some distributions are up in the US as well. I'm up on capital gains in the US account by about $2,000 as well. So yeah, absolutely doing amazing. I'm really chuffed that I'm at over 100k. So when it comes to the next net worth video, what we'll probably see is just the interactive brokers account plus the crypto account. But yeah, you let me know what you think in the comments below. Really happy with what's gone off this month. And I think we're going to be in a bullish environment until December. So I'm going to be looking at adding some more capital most likely into the growth assets up until Christmas. And my target was 100k in 2025. I've already smashed that out of the park, which I'm really happy with. I managed to buy NVDA just before earnings, and it's gone up something like 20%, 15% or so. So I put 5k into NVIDIA. I just had a feeling the earnings were going to be very good, and it's played off pretty well. I've also bought into Uber pretty heavily. It's the earnings on the 4th of November. I've got a feeling it's going to be another good one for Uber. So yeah, I've got very concentrated growth assets. I just got conviction in what I'm buying. I was a big believer in Broadcom. That's going to be another really big holding of mine. So yeah, keep your eye out. I think this portfolio is going to snowball very good. The next target is going to be $250,000. That is going to be my next target. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comments, guys. And just in case you missed Income Shares' webinar, The video will be right in front of you now, guys. Thank you. See you in the next one.